Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to fill a St. Lucia online custom and immigration form on their portal. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this custom and immigration portal of St. Lucia. This you can access no more than 72 hours before arrival. In fact, a lot of countries have similar forms. Instead of filling it on paper, if you have filled it up in advance, it's gonna save time for you and as well as for the immigration. So in front of you, I've opened the portal. Once you are ready to start, click on start. Okay. Port vessel information. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So for the very first thing, what is your residential status in St. Lucia? So I'm assuming you're going as a tourist, so I select this. How are you entering? Sea or air? I select air. So it asks for the airline. Wow, it has everything pre-filled. But anyway, you can select from the drop down what is country of embarkation. Okay. Port of embarkation. Wow. Port of de-embarkation. Which airport? So I select this flight registration number. Date of arrival. So remember up to 3 days. Okay, I select this. Date of departure. Let's say next. Now your personal details. So I'm filling sample. You do as per your own case. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Date of birth. Let's say date of birth. Do it as per your own case, guys. Not what I'm doing. Nationality. Okay. So see, based on nationality, it also gives you the message that if you need a visa or not. For example, if I enter India, visa required. But if I select Canada, no visa required. Title status single. Occupation. Address line. Okay. Of course, you know your address. I don't have to tell you. City. State. Country of residence. Email address. So put your email address. Put it correctly. Don't do like this. This is just a sample guide. Good thing is you can copy paste. So make sure you don't know. Make sure you do no mistake. Okay. Now for putting your phone number, check your code, IST code, and then put the number. Check this box if you don't want to receive information about St. Lucie or take part in marketing promotion. And it's up to you, but I check it. Travel document type, sport, number, travel document issue country, date, expiry, okay. Which countries have you visited in past 21 days? It's not a mandatory question, so I'm leaving. But you should definitely provide. Why not? Upload passport biodata page or national ID card. Okay, I'll do this and then I'll see you guys. Okay, so I selected this and here this question, which countries you have visited in past 21 days. This was actually mandatory, so I selected none of the listed countries. Now let's go to know. Next, purpose of visit. Select your. So if you're going for tourism, wow, leisure, holiday, vacation. Yeah, this is accommodation, apartment, condominium, cottage, hotel. Wow, they have even details of hotels registered. Why not? That means they have good, what do you call, control on services. So if you have more than one reservation at other place, that also you can provide. If by clicking on add more, I'm just clicking on continue. Health. In past 21 days, have you any person travel as per the following symptoms? Chest pain, nausea, vomiting. I select none of the above. Been diagnosed with a communicable disease? I select no. Had close contact with someone who was diagnosed. Provided direct care to patients with communicable disease? I select no. Is a patient having a communicable disease? I select no. Work state in a closed environment? No. Live in the same household? No. Okay. There's a fine if this is found wrong. So now family members. Do you want to add family members? Then click on add family because um, sometimes you go with family members. So one form for each, you can say family. I select no, continue. Now custom questions. So how many pieces of luggage bringing to St. Lucia? I say hand luggage. So two. And accompanied luggage sent by air or sea freight. I select zero. I'm visiting fruit, plant, cut flowers, pharmaceuticals, narcotics. Ah, I'm planning bringing arms, ammunition. My God, who would do that? I have commercial merchandise, to carry currency model instrument of US $10, 10,000 or over. You can add multiple declarations too. Okay, and then you will check this and go to next. Next is gonna be review and then submit. So of course, I'm not gonna do this, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.